Alright, so the idea is to repower this John Deere. I know this is kind of ridiculous because this is such an old tractor, but I don't care. I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to repower this John Deere, and I'm going to put a I just went and bought this. This is a 22 horse Briggs Stratton V-twin. 50 bucks I paid for this. I'm going to power wash it, get it all cleaned up, and then we're going to disassemble it. It's got something rattling around in the back, but it's not locked up, and it's got compression. And I don't know if it's got compression in only one cylinder or what, but it feels good. So my guess is maybe well, I doubt that it's the compression release. I don't know. Something is broke off in the bottom of it, so we're going to take a look at it and find out what is going on with this thing. Okay, so I got her nice and disassembled and cleaned. I do need to take this off because that's the only way to get this off, and I'm going to turn it upside down, and I don't want to break that. So I'm going to take this piece of metal off, remove the dipstick, and I guess at that point I better make sure this thing got no oil in it. So I'll open the drain and see if I can't drain it, and then we're going to put it upside down up on the bench. Take the sump off and take a look inside. It's got some oil in it. I guess that's a good sign, right? Okay, so I got the oil drained. I've removed the spark plugs, and this piston is not moving, so we got a broken connecting rod. Hopefully it didn't destroy the whole engine, so we'll take it apart and take a look. Hopefully it's not scrap. Alright, I got all the bolts. I got the thing unhooked. Sump's ready to come out. Couple good hits. Oh boy, oh boy. What's going on? Set this over here. Here's some pieces. Here's the oil pump shaft. We got connecting rod pieces. The governor's in good shape. Okay. You know what I need to do? Let me put some gloves on. Let me limit the amount of nastiness. Let's remove some stuff, shall we? Alright. Connecting rod piece. We'll find out what kind of damage this did. I need a junk box. Here we go. Here's a little box. That'll be the junk box. Okay. Let's line up our cam marks. Having a hard time seeing where they're at. There it is. Okay, it looks okay. That cam is bent. That thing is bent. Junk. try loosening it. Okay. So we know the cam is shot. Probably means the valves are going to be shot. We'll get a good inspection. This might be, oh gosh, there's a big chunk. A big chunk out of the cylinder wall. Yeah, this thing's scrap. Damn it. It's scrap. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh, I guess I gotta take the head off if I want to get the piston out. Duh. I'll be back. It's a mess. Okay, so in the end, for $50, I got a bunch of good parts. Starting with a carburetor assembly, which looks beautiful. Valve covers. All of this shrouding. 2 good heads, complete. A starter. 1 piston. That rod's no good, but I got 1 piston that's usable. Stator. Tappets look okay. I got a couple push rods that look not bent. Yeah, these are fine. So 1 set of push rods. That is the oil pump driver. This piston and rod assembly is trash. This is the one that was broken. All of this linkage stuff is good. All the mounting bolts and hardware and stuff like that is good. I don't know if I mentioned a good stator. Now the crankshaft, I can't quite tell. It's got a lot of aluminum transfer on it. I may be able to melt that off with some muriatic acid. I'll have to look into that. That crank might be savable. It might be okay, but it might not. I don't know yet. I can't quite discern how bad it is. The sump is good. There's no grooving in here or anything like that. So this sump is perfectly good and reusable. Here's the engine cylinder block, which is garbage. I'll remove this. I'll keep this little breather cover. And I'll take these out. I'll keep these bolts. All the mounting bolts and everything I'll keep. And this thing is scrap. So there. It's well worth $50 and just parts. So very good. Well, that's going to do it for this one. Just salvaging what I can from a motor. And I'll box everything up. Everything's going to get bagged and boxed with its mounting hardware. And I'll label it with the engine code. The engine code is right here. 40G777 type 0383E1, I believe. No, that's the code is 04. It's an 04 build. Yeah. So there you go. A little salvage work. But like I said, tons of good parts that will be very usable. I'm going to get another rack and maybe I'll put it right here or something. I gotta get another, just a parts rack. I don't know, maybe I'll condense this, move that over, get another one, because I got to be able to store parts. I'm gonna have these all boxed and labeled. So there you go. See you on the next video, everybody. Thanks for watching. Yeah, not to mention a perfectly good flywheel and coils and dipstick. So there you go. And I also got the shroud stuff. I forgot all about this. I got the shroud and all of this kind of plastics. This is all of the cooling mounting tins. There you go. See you next time.